At first light, the journey of premium ice cream begins with pure, fresh milk. Every drop is carefully extracted under strict hygienic precision. Specialized tankers protect freshness during every kilometer of transport. Instant cooling preserves the richness and natural cream quality. A controlled cold chain ensures quality never breaks during transit. At the factory gates, every delivery is verified with precision control. Sanitization ensures absolute purity before production begins. Once approved, milk enters the heart of the production facility. Every batch must pass strict laboratory approval before entering production. Stored under perfect conditions, milk now awaits transformation into ice cream. Once approved, milk enters the heart of the production facility. Inside the gates, raw milk enters a world of precision engineering. The factory interior is designed for seamless hygienic flow. Precision docking ensures zero contamination during transfer. Controlled heat eliminates bacteria while preserving natural richness. Instant cooling locks in smooth texture and creamy consistency. Instant cooling locks in smooth texture and creamy consistency. Ingredients merge into a unified foundation for every flavor. Now the base enters the flavor integration hall, where identity is created. Each flavor is precisely engineered before freezing begins. Rich cocoa is introduced in controlled, measured intensity. Pressure engineering refines texture into perfect cream consistency. Air is carefully incorporated to create the signature Magnum density. The transformation begins as temperature rapidly drops. Controlled freezing creates the smooth body of the ice cream. Every batch is refined into uniform, velvety texture. Now the ice cream takes its iconic bar shape. Its iconic bar shape. Extreme cold locks structure before finishing begins.
Check the batch code.
Only perfect shapes proceed to the final transformation stage. The frozen center instantly locks the chocolate into place. A rich chocolate shell forms around the frozen core. Carefully selected almonds create the iconic Magnum crunch. Automation ensures every bar receives a consistent finish. Thousands of quality checks happen every minute. Cooling perfects the Every bar receives its protective signature packaging.
Now, every finished bar enters the precision packaging stage.
The transformation is complete, but verification continues. Every package begins with exact product verification. Automation organizes thousands of bars with remarkable accuracy. Every carton is filled with carefully protected products. Packaging materials are prepared with precise mechanical timing.
Each package is secured for storage and distribution.
Every package carries a complete production history.
Before release, every batch must prove its quality. Individual packages become part of a larger distribution network. Even the smallest packaging detail is carefully reviewed. The signature shell must meet strict specification standards. Scientific testing confirms the desired eating experience. Food safety remains central to every production decision. Random sampling verifies consistency throughout production. The finished product now approaches its final approval stage. From a single factory, products move toward destinations around the world.